we going?
To do Christmas now.
What have you got in your hand? Polar Express bell? Yeah, who's going to meet? Yes, are you excited? Yeah!
Thanks for joining us, and today we visited the North Pole Express at Tanfield Railway. Based only a mile from where we live, we had an amazing day. It was a great experience for our little boy to enjoy the run up to Christmas. The event runs every weekend from the 25th of November leading up to Christmas and also includes Christmas Eve. Tickets are priced at £20 per person, and that includes a present from Santa and complimentary refreshments. We parked at East Tanfield Station, where we booked in with the amazing staff and visited the gift shop and cafe before the elf show and boarded the North Pole Express to see Santa.
In here, okay? And there's a colouring sheet with some crayons. Make sure you get your passport stamped so you get your North Pole kit. Go into the carriage shed at 2:35 so you can see how Magical Elves, if they're doing their Christmas show, to get you ready to go up there, okay? You're going to sing all the Christmas songs.
Oh wow, look at this.
Is your sticker? Is your passport as well? And is your name AJ? Are you excited? Can I take a look at your passport, AJ? Thank you so much. Are you excited for Christmas? Me too. I am very excited. The North Pole Express will be arriving anytime soon. You'll hop on and you'll take you to the North Pole. There, you'll hopefully see the man himself. Do you have a Christmas list sorted? You do? Great! Make sure you tell Santa exactly what you want. I'm sure he'll be waiting politely to see you. Have a magical time!
Thank you.
Take care.
That's a big smile. Going to see the elf show, AJ. Oh, look at all the presents. Wow.
Lovely to see you all today. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the most magical train station this side of the North Pole.
Here's the Polar Express here, Jane. Look. Wow, look at that. Alvord! Excited. Steaming up, aren't we? The North Pole offered some great activities such as making magic reindeer dust, face painting, creating a shadow theatre and writing a letter to Santa.
Can you shake it down low? Can you shake it? Can you shake it with a shake of your... Can you boogie with it?
Posted it. Well done, dude. North Pole, yeah, clever boy. Thanks for watching, and as always, please take the time to like and subscribe.